Welcome back, aspiring writers. I'm Captain Bhavna, and in our last video, we learned all about the world of freelance writing and websites that can help you land your first gig. If you haven't seen that video, then go to the playlist here and check it out. Today, we're going to find out how you can monetize your writing skills and earn from the comfort of your home. So stay tuned till the end and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. As I have told you earlier, the writing field is vast and varied. You can choose from a wide range of opportunities that suit your niche. For example, if you are a person who loves traveling, you could choose to become a travel blogger for your own blog or for a travel company like Make My Trip and others. You could also choose to become an author and publish your own travel book. All these opportunities give you a chance to make money through freelancing. There are multiple ways and content fields that can help you start monetizing your writing skills. So let's dive deeper and understand better. Content writing. As we all know, content writing involves writing blog posts, content for websites, brochures, white papers, etc. To become a content writer, you have to first and very importantly choose a niche for yourself. You need to identify the subject of which you have strong knowledge about. For example, if you are someone who loves food and has an excellent knowledge about ingredients and taste, you could be hired by Zomato to write blogs and restaurant reviews. You can even write white papers, build pitch deck communication, write branding content, and so much more as a freelance content writer. The demand for content writer is on the rise, especially for freelance writers. Glassdoor states that you can earn anywhere between 10,000 to 20,000 per month as a beginner, depending on the projects and pricing. Now let's move to the next role that can help you make money from home: copywriting. Copywriters write to sell. This means that they craft compelling and persuasive copy for advertisements and other marketing material. And guess what? Once you get the work, you can earn anywhere between 10,000 to 40,000 per month as a beginner, and even in lakhs depending upon your experience and expertise. In case you want to know more about content and copywriting field, you can check out our previous episode here to have a better understanding. Now coming to the third role, blogging. Blogs are the easiest and fastest way to earn money through freelancing. If you are a storyteller and love writing long-form content, then this is for you. You can create blog posts about literally anything. If you're a fashion enthusiast, you can create fashion blogs. If you're a foodie, you can become a food blogger. You name it and you can blog it. Let's have a look at my captain's blog on the skills every content writer should have. From the index alone, you can understand how well researched this blog might be. As we scroll down, we can see the use of flowcharts and graphs to make the blog more interactive and easy to understand. It also uses pictures and has FAQs at the end, which makes the blog looks well informed. These little details enhance your credibility as a blogger and help you get work. You can start off by creating your own blog on platforms like WordPress, Medium, and Notion. And if you want to know how to use these platforms for blogging, let us know in the comment section and we'll have an episode for you. As a blogger, your salary range is similar to that of a content writer. However, over here, your experience and skills matter. You can get gigs or projects on freelance basis and get paid for writing blogs and make anywhere between 5,000 to 25,000. Now we come to our next category, ghostwriting. Ghostwriting means to write on behalf of others. As a ghostwriter, you will be doing freelance writing under someone else's authorship. Yes, you do not get the credit for writing a piece, but definitely get paid well. Ghostwriters can write non-fiction books, public speeches, online content, and book proposals. Generally, politicians, business owners, athletes, musicians, actors hire ghostwriters because they either lack the time or they don't feel very confident about their writing skills. I know, you must be thinking why someone would take up ghostwriting when they aren't even getting credited for their work. But well, ghostwriting has many advantages. Number one, you receive a wide audience. Sometimes ghostwritings can take you to the most prestigious corners of the publishing world. And number two, as a ghostwriter, you will always receive a flat fee when compared to your hourly rates. So you have a chance to earn upfront money. In India, there's a huge demand for ghostwriters. As per Glassdoor, they earn as much as $1 lakh a month from one single client. Now let's move to the part you've all been waiting for. How can you start earning from these roles? I'm going to tell you a simple 4-step framework that can help you make money through writing from the comfort of your home. First, for any role that you take up, you need a solid portfolio, which is a collection of your skills and work. This one here is a portfolio of a mentee. She has very precisely added her niche, her skills, and her work examples. Our mentees have landed jobs in companies like Swiggy, Radio Mirchi, and more with the help of these portfolios. If you want to know how to craft an amazing portfolio, then check out the pinned link in the comment section. Now, the second thing, which is you need to work. Everyone wants to know how they can find work as writers. So here's the answer. Let's say you're a writer with a niche in travel writing. Keeping an active social media account, connecting with all kinds of travel companies, and cold emailing to prospective hirers can help you find work. Networking and connecting with your desired recruiters is important. From these networks that you create, word of mouth begins. And this is also an essential tool for finding work. Look out for companies related to your niche. For example, if you're a travel blogger, you don't have to wait for any connection that can get you a job at Make My Trip. You can also send out a cold email. This brings us to the third step. Keep hope, keep applying. Staying motivated at all times is an essential factor when it comes to finding work. The start will be slow, but this is where you need to keep pushing yourself and always keep improving and updating your portfolio. Even when you don't have new work to add to your portfolio, you can take up any of your favorite brands and revamp the copy for their ads just as an exercise. This can become another addition to your portfolio. If you have not received replies from prospective recruiters, send out an email once again. Take a follow-up. Don't be discouraged and continue to write and continue to apply. And this brings us to the fourth step. Charging for your content services. Depending on your skills and the value that you deliver, you can charge anywhere from 30 paisa per word for a blog to ₹1,000 per project as a content writer. You can charge based per article, per project, and even a monthly payout. If you're a freelancer, you can sign up with freelancing websites like Fiverr and Upwork. You can know more about these freelancing websites in one of our previous videos here. So, if you want to see such growth in your writing career, use this episode as your roadmap to becoming a successful writer from home. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below and let me know if there are specific topics you'd like us to cover in the future episodes.